The study of the sounds of human speech is known as phonetics. It deals with the ways in which sounds are produced, transmitted, and perceived. The organs of speech are the various parts of the human body that are used to produce the sounds of speech. In this article, we will discuss the organs of speech and phonetics of the English language. 1. Lungs. The lungs are the primary organs used in the process of breathing, which is essential for speech. When we breathe in, air enters the lungs, and when we exhale, air is expelled from the lungs. The air that is expelled from the lungs during speech is known as the airstream. 2. Larynx. The larynx is a complex structure that is located at the top of the trachea. It contains the vocal cords, which are two folds of tissue that vibrate when air passes through them. The vibration of the vocal cords produces sound. 3. Pharynx. The pharynx is the space behind the nose and mouth and in front of the larynx. It is a tube-shaped structure that is used to produce certain sounds in speech. The pharynx is divided into three parts: the nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. 4. Oral cavity. The oral cavity is the space inside the mouth that contains the teeth, tongue, and palate. It is used to produce many of the sounds in the English language, including vowels and consonants. 5. Nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is the space behind the nose that contains the nasal bones, cartilage, and mucous membranes. It is used to produce nasal sounds, such as the per meter sound in mom, and the n sound in noon. 6. Tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ located in the mouth. It is used to produce many of the sounds in the English language, including vowels and consonants. The position of the tongue can change the sound that is produced. 7. Lips. The lips are the two fleshy structures that surround the opening of the mouth. They are used to produce many of the sounds in the English language, including the p, b, f, and v sounds. 8. Teeth. The teeth are hard, calcified structures located in the mouth. They are used to produce some of the sounds in the English language, such as the s and z sounds. 9. Alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge is the bony ridge located behind the upper front teeth. It is used to produce some of the sounds in the English language, including the t and d sounds. 10. Palate. The palate is the roof of the mouth. It is divided into two parts: the hard palate, which is the front part of the palate and is made of bone, and the soft palate, which is the back part of the palate and is made of muscle. The palate is used to produce many of the sounds in the English language, including the k and per gram sounds. In conclusion, the organs of speech play an important role in the production of sounds in the English language. Understanding the functions of these organs can help learners of English to improve their pronunciation and communication skills.